everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I got the CRAFTSMAN 10-inch 180T table saw blade. So these are all the specs that are on it. We're going to try this out on the board. Alright, so this is what it's for, everything it says on there. We're going to use it to cut the vinyl flooring that I have. So we're going to test that out on vinyl flooring. You could check out my other video before. I did it on the other 200 tooth blade. I did a review on that, cutting and everything. It's the cheaper ones from Home Depot and Lowe's, so you don't get that long out of them, which sucks. They die very quickly, like the teeth get eaten up really quick. Just to let you know on these blades, because I've used them a couple times to install floors, and yeah, they stink for life. But whatever. Here it is right here. That's the old blade that we're going to change out. That's the old brand. See how it's all black? Pretty much it's shot. And like I said, you don't get that many cuts out of it, which is very sad to say. Like the DeWalt's, you know, for 50 bucks, you get a lot of cuts. This for 12 bucks, crap. Yeah. Like, look, look at the teeth difference. All the tips of the teeth are gone. All the tips. And like I said, I have only been using it for vinyl. Nothing else. Only vinyl. So, that's pretty crazy. So, that's the only thing I don't like. Like I said, these blades just go BAM! Like, no problem. Done. Okay. Well, give me the piece, give me the glass, let me get this going. Okay, let's cut this up. I know. Just by standing there, it's going to get dull.
There you go, it's right here. This is right here. This is right
That
here.
has the mark on it?
Yep, my hand.
Oh, okay. Alright, so we're going to cut this up. I'm not going to use the guide because I think it just gets more in the way, but we'll see. Alright, so when we cut this, we're going to get this guide. Let's do it. Plug me in. Okay, ready? Let's see how this blade cuts. I know it was because the blade fucked up, but Jesus Christ, I'm just mad because we didn't get cut. Alright, so that was a test and review of the blade, so you could see. How'd you like it? Sounds good. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. I'm out. Bye-bye.